Today we're doing black sorghum tortillas. Smilo. You're gonna want to measure out 2 cups of sorghum. I have these graduated mason jars. You could use a regular measuring device. Like how I did that. Now you're gonna want to rinse it. I did this 4 times. 1. Guess what's next? 2. And guess what up? Now you're going to want to pour your sorghum into a non-reactive pan. You could use a stovetop. I just didn't have a clean non-reactive pan ready to go. And you're going to use 3 times the amount of water for whatever amount of sorghum you have. So I had 2 cups of sorghum to start. Now I have 6 cups of water. So you add that to your pan. Yeah. You're going to want to pick out the debris. Sometimes you have like little sticks and things like that in there. You know, save all your sorghum seeds here. Now you want to add your calcium hydroxide, otherwise known as lime or slaked lime. 1 tablespoon for our 6 cups of water. And at this point you want to, if you're doing a stovetop, you want to do it on a low boil. Just kind of mix it up here. The Instapot saute setting is a little bit high, so it came to a very rolling boil. So you want to do it on a low boil for 30 minutes. Otherwise, just have some water on hand to keep the water levels about the same as when you started. When you're done, you want to let it sit overnight to just really kind of loosen those holes and tenderize the seeds. Good morning. Anyway, we're going to rinse this off. When you think you're done, do what you did all over again. That slaked lime takes a lot of rinsing to get the taste out. So, you know, once you rinse it maybe 4 or 5 times, taste it, see if you still taste slaked lime. And, you know, I think I did this about 8 times. I should have agitated the water a little bit, you know, in hindsight, just to make sure I, you know, got all that slaked lime off. Okay, so now we're going to grind or pound it. Now this would have been better if I had a grain grinder or a meat grinder with an attachment. This took absolutely forever just with a ceramic coffee cup. Then you want to press your tortillas. I'm sure you could do this by hand. I have a tortilla press handy with some lightly oiled plastic, and you just pop it in a non-stick pan. And here you see they turned out pliable. They're absolutely delicious. I added a dash of salt in there too. I forgot to mention that. And here is our vegan bean taco. You can see I used a little bit too much oil. I'm learning. So if you have any suggestions as far as to what I could do better, please do leave a comment. Please do like and subscribe. It helps my channel in research. And speaking of research, check out pullupyourplants.com. I have a lot of stories, myths, even a vampire legend from the Caribbean region about this particular plant. It takes 50% of the water that it takes to raise corn and half the amount of fertilizer as well. So it's a very environmentally responsible option. It's delicious, it's versatile. So yeah, thanks for watching.